Oh, my cute new apron. Hey guys, Becki-licious here. This bacon asparagus puff pastry twist served with a barbecue pork chop is going to be such a fun plate to serve up. These bacon asparagus puff pastry twists look absolutely amazing, and they were so fun to make. You got to see it. I'm so excited to make these asparagus bacon puff pastry twists because they look fun and just yummy, yummy. So I've already got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I've got my barbecue turned on out on the deck because we're going to be throwing those pork chops on in a bit. But first, let's get everything all ready. I've already sliced my bacon in half down the center just to make it a little bit easier to kind of wrap around the puff pastry, or the asparagus with the puff pastry. And then the puff pastry we're going to slice up into about an inch thick or an inch wide little, and of course make it a little bit easier because I'm not as precise with a knife. But so we're going to get these all cut up, and then it's going to be time to start wrapping. Let's get our asparagus wrapped with our bacon first. And we are going to leave a little bit of space in between because that puff pastry is going to go in between in that space. So just all the way around. Perfection. And then we're going to do the exact same thing with our puff pastry. Try to get that in between. Bring it all around. And there we go. And that's it. And then they're going to go here on the baking sheet. So once I get these all done up, then we'll do our very last step. All right, we are finishing up our very last bacon asparagus twist. And along the way, I came upon a nice little helper who's here supervising, making sure I do a good job. And while I'm finishing this up, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right, we've got these all done up. So we're going to move this all around. And then we have an egg wash for the puff pastry. I've already added a little bit of garlic powder just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. But since we're barbecuing, I also decided that I would add a little bit of Cajun seasoning too, just to give it a little bit of extra kick, if you will. So there's nothing wrong with a little bit of extra kick. All right, so we're going to get this all mixed up, and then we are going to get this egg wash brushed over all of these puff pastries, and then it's time to throw these in the oven. These bacon wrapped asparagus puff pastries are going to go in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 18 minutes or so. So while that's in the oven, let's go get those pork chops thrown on the grill. All right, we're going to get our pork chops all prepped up, and today I am going to do a sweet and smoky rub on it because, I just want a little bit of something on it. So we're just going to generously put this on each side, and then it'll be time to go throw this on the grill because the grill is ready to go. It's going to be so good. I can already tell. All right, got my sweet and smoky rub on my pork chops, so let's get them thrown on the grill. Perfect. Good stuff. All right, while we're waiting for our pork chops to cook on the one side, I'm going to get our barbecue mixture ready because obviously we got to throw some barbecue sauce on it afterwards. I've already got my Sweet Baby Ray's, that's my fave. And then we're going to add in some honey because, I like to have a little bit of sweet stuff. So we're just going to mix this up, and then this is going to be all ready to go. Let's flip these chops. They are ready. Oh, look at how yummy those are. Look at how amazing that looks. Look at that. Nice char marks. Oh, yum. All right. Next step will be the barbecue sauce. Let's go sauce these chops up. We're ready. And I went ahead and put my mat down because I want to make sure all of the sauce kind of stays on the chop, obviously. Oh, these looks, look at how yummy those look. Okay. All right, these are just about ready to come off the grill, so let's do it. Let's pull these chops off the grill. Oh, these are sauced up and ready to go. All right, time to eat. These are ready. Look at how nice and golden brown those are. All right, time to plate up. It's time to eat. Look at how amazing this plate looks. I've got to try it. I have to try it. It just looks so amazing. So, let's get our asparagus and our bacon. Oh, here we go. Here we go. God, that was delicious. Now we got to try this pork chop because this pork chop, oh gosh, look at how amazing that looks. My gosh, that's amazing. So there you go. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen today. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you like this video, watch this one.